Welcome to the GL Apps Learning Center for the Manual Journal Entry application. There are 4 parts to this training. This video is covering Part 1, creating and uploading a manual journal entry, reviewing a journal entry, and revising and posting a journal entry. Now let's begin creating a journal entry. From the E1 menu bar, click on GL Transactional View, Journal Entry, and then Manual Journal Entry. From here, you'll click the Add button located at the top of the menu bar. There are 3 mandatory fields in the header section when creating a standard journal entry. The first is the doc type. YM doc type is automatically populated. This replaces the JE doc type. The second is the GL date. Enter the GL date of your entry, or you may leave it blank and the system will automatically populate it with the current date. The third is the explanation line. This line has a max of 30 characters. You'll see that there are 2 new fields that have been added to the header section of the manual journal entry screen. The first is the transaction originator. It is grayed out. The system will automatically populate this field with your user ID after you click OK and exit the entry. The second is the authorized person field. This is not a mandatory field. It's only used if you are entering a journal entry on behalf of another user. In the authorized person field, the field is numeric and can only be populated with the employee's address book number. If you cannot enter the employee's user ID, you will receive a red error. Use the magnifying glass to do a lookup if you do not know the number. The search type is E for employee, and the name search lookup, use all caps. In this next slide, we'll cover how to import or manually key a standard journal entry. A new security feature has been added that lacks your ability to manually key data or import. You must key in the 3 mandatory fields in the standard journal entry. Once complete, you may click Tools and Import Grid Data to import your entry, or to manually key the data, simply go to the account number field and begin keying in your entry. If you wish to import a journal entry, this slide will cover the import function layout. Select Import from Excel. From here, click the Browse button to find your journal entry. Key in the worksheet name if other than Sheet 1. Define your cell range, and then click Preview. After clicking Preview, your entry will populate for your review. Click Continue to accept. After you click Accept, it will bring you back to the header screen. If an error occurs, it will be called out in 2 places for the user. An error message will be displayed at the top of the screen, and the error will be highlighted in red on the Excel table. There are 3 new security features that have been added to this application. The first is the restriction of a user's access to post outside of a division. There are 4 divisions: Cement, A&C, Gypsum, and Corporate. The second security feature is the restriction to post to the intercompany accounts in the range 530001 through 540100. The final security feature is the restriction to post more than 999 lines of data. A pop-up error message has been created for each new security feature: unauthorized division access, unauthorized account access, and 999 maximum number of lines allowed. Once you have completed entering your journal entry and you have no errors Write down the batch number. Click OK to accept the journal, and after you click OK, a unique document number is created and attached to that batch. This batch will remain open, and you can add additional documents to this existing batch, or you can click Cancel to exit the batch. This completes our tutorial on how to enter a standard journal entry. The next topic we'll cover is how to review a journal entry. From the E1 menu bar, click on GL Transactional View, Journal Entry, and then General Journal Review, include YM, YZ. From here, you'll enter your batch number, and click Find. After you click Find, the batch will appear. Check the box located next to the batch type and select to view. This will take you to the next screen where you can select the document that you wish to view. Check the box located next to the document type and click Select. You can now review your entry before posting. Do not add any lines or make any changes from this screen, and always click Cancel to exit. Reviewing Entry Security Bypass. In the General Journal Review Include YMYZ application, the user has the ability to bypass the securities. A walkabout report has been developed to monitor users who are overriding the security through this application. This report will be reviewed by management daily. Changing a batch status. In the General Journal Review Include YMYZ application, the user has the ability to change the batch status. To do this, check the box next to the batch type, select Row, Revise. There are several different types of batch statuses. A, Approved, will get picked up on a scheduled post job, or you can manually post it. Blank, Pending, will not get posted. U, In Use, will get revised to Approved status and posted by GeoOps. Never select D, O, or P codes. Click to select the status and continue. Once your batch is in approved status, you can post it manually or wait for it to be picked up on the job scheduler. To post it manually, select the batch and click Row, Post by Batch. The next screen will appear with the printer selection. Click OK to post the batch. This concludes our tutorial on the Manual Journal Entry application, Part 1,